Step right up and prepare to be amazed. I'm going to show you how in a matter of seconds I was able to quarter round this area without using a saw and without even leaving the room. I'm no magician, but today on Jones Knows, I'm going to perform a little magic.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Why would you ever have to use a saw to do quarter round or trim molding again? We're using the Crane miter cutters today. I'm able to cut quarter round, whether it's MDF, pine, or even laminated. I can cut my quarter round 45-degree angles for the corners. I can do 22-degree angles. I can do straight cuts, all without even getting up. This is a tool I've been using for quite a while now. My customers pay me to do quarter round on jobs that I used to spend hours doing. I used to have to walk to the saw, up and down the staircase if it's a 2-story house. I mean, quarter round, I dreaded doing it. I used to pass it on to one of the helpers or anybody on the job, my installers, anybody that I could get to do it. I mean, it took us almost sometimes as long to do the quarter round as it took to do the flooring. But once I found these guys, these Crane quarter round cutters, I never used a saw again. These have been one of my best kept secrets for years. I did not want the competition to find out about these guys because I was able to get jobs done in a fraction of the time it took other companies and other installers. So I've decided to share one of my best kept secrets with the world. These guys will save you tons of time, and they do a great job. I've used them on probably hundreds and hundreds of jobs. They really don't wear out. They do make a replacement blade, I believe, that you can get for them. But honestly, I've had this pair for, probably a year and a half, 2 years now. And it works just as good as the day that I got them. I've actually taught my sons how to use them. I've taught other installers how to use them. If you see, when I cut a 45 there, I wasn't happy with the first one, so I was just able to cut a second one. If I was using a saw, what's that mean? 2 trips to the saw to make that cut? No. I'm right here. I don't even use a pencil here. You see how I marked that? I just use the tip of the scissors to mark where I want my cut, and I don't even need to use a pencil. I've included a link below, and it's actually for less money than what I paid for mine in the carpet supply store. So, I mean, they are just a tool that everybody should own. And then to finish off the quarter round, you see I'm using my DeWalt cordless nailer. This tool saves me almost as much time as the scissors. I'm able to nail quarter round, stair nosing, baseboard, no matter what it is. I haven't found anything I can't nail through. And it's super quiet. You ever have a compressor running on one of your job sites or even at your house? That thing, every minute or two, if you're using it a lot, starts filling up with air. It's so loud. If I'm on the phone, my customer can't hear me. If I'm listening to the TV or the radio, I may have to pause it. I mean, that's one of the things that drives me crazy about a compressor, the sound, and then the hoses dragging across the new floors I'm installing. No need for that anymore. These cordless nailers are amazing. I started out with a Ryobi. It just was like an amateur tool though. When I switched to the DeWalt one, I mean, it's so much more powerful, and it is really, really quiet. I mean, I love it. That is the winning combination. The scissors and the cordless nailer. I'm able to do my trim work in a fraction of the time, and you can't even hear me doing it. I hope you found the video informative. Please check out the links below if you're interested in these products. And if you'd like to see how I make custom moldings from scratch on the job site to match the floor for a fraction of a price that it would cost you to purchase these moldings in the store, be sure to subscribe so you can see our videos as they come out. And as always, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet Smash that thumbs up so you like us. Have a great day, and thanks for tuning in.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.